Welcome back to the Getting Started course. In the previous video, we took a look at how to add a new to-do item. And in this video, we'll take a look at how to mark a to-do item as complete. We're going to do this in two steps. First, we'll write a function to update a to-do item's completed state. And then, we'll set up styling to display that to-do as completed appropriately. To get started, what you want to do is head over to the list item and you want to set up an event to update a to-do's completed state. On the on item click, you can either add that event by using the UI like we did earlier or by toggling JS, which gives us a clear input to type in JavaScript bindings. To do this, I'm going to access the update to-do's function, which is in the app file. And what we want to do is pass in the current to-do's index, which is accessible in the current index variable. Next, we're going to pass in the new state we want for the to-do item, which in this case is going to be the completed state. And we want to toggle the previous state of the to-do item. And we can access the previous state by typing in current item.completed. And that looks good. Next, we want to add styling to appropriately display a to-do item as completed or not. To do that, head over to the text widget and in the styles tab, what you want to do is go into the text color. We're going to need to write some JavaScript, so I'm going to enable JavaScript and copy out the current text color. What I'm going to do is write some JavaScript to check the completed state of the to-do item and display the appropriate style as needed. So let's write in some JavaScript. We're going to use the ternary operator, and what we want to do is check the current item's completed state. If this item is completed, then we want to display a slightly lighter text color. And lastly, we want to add some text styling by using the text decoration property. All we need to do here is add a line through, and I'm going to use the line through value. Then, if this item is not completed, we just want to return a string that represents the current item's text color, which in this case is going to be black. Now we can head back to the canvas and you notice clicking on the item actually toggles its completed state, and that is appropriately displayed on the UI. Alright, so this is how easy it is to set up a completed state view for the to-do item. In the next video, we'll take a look at how to add a delete feature into an app so that to-do items that are completed can be deleted. See you in the next video.